So hello friends, our today's video will be the continuation of the previous video, which is a part of the series that how we can fix the errors and lags of GTA 5. So in this video we are going to download two files, and with that file we are going to try to fix the memory error and the lag error and the continuous loading screen error in GTA 5. So if you have not seen the previous video, then try it also and try to fix the error. So for today we are going to download two files, heap adjuster and pack limit adjuster, and both the links are in the description. So go first and download it. So I have downloaded the files and extracted it. So I will now open the pack file limit adjuster. So there is two files and the heap adjuster. You can find three files. So open file location of GTA 5. So now simply drag and drop all the files of both the folders. I have already dropped it, so now I will skip it. You can see here I have both pack file limit adjuster, and now I will replace the heap adjuster file. So here you can see the three files. So close all the files. We are done with the modding, so close it. Wait a second, let's say me something important. Open the file location and go to heap adjuster config file and open it. Just click it. You will find here 500 instead of 1000. I have changed it to 1000. The reason behind it I will say you after some time. You can simply change it to 1000 or 700. Don't change it to more than 1000. You can change as I am doing. Just type the what you want and save it. So the importance of this is GTA 5 has officially limited the screen value up to 500 MB, which means that whatever you are seeing on your screen, all that are up to 500 MB only. But when you use unoptimized mods or any mod, the memory of that mod is more than 13 times than the normal file. So it crosses the 500 limit, and when it crosses the 500 limit, the game starts to lag or crash in the mid of gaming. So by installing the heap adjuster and the pack file, and by changing the config of 500 to 1000 MB, which I have done in the previous part of this video, by this I am extending the limit up to 1000 MB, so that it will not cause any lag or loading screen error while I am gaming. And I also recommend you don't exceed more than 1000 MB, because in many script hook website it is written that if you exceed 1000 MB, it will create pressure on your CPU and GPU, and there may be chance of causing damage to them. So don't take risk. Limit your mods. Don't use many mods at a time. Try to use optimized mods, and hope this video will help you. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and the third part of this video will be coming soon, so don't miss it. And if you have not seen the first part, just go and watch it. So hope, stay safe, stay home, bye bye.